Hello, fellow adventurers. Today, we're going on a thrilling journey to the depths of the Monterey Bay. We'll meet the star of our story, Reveille, a stunning sailboat that has become a home for its captain and their furry companion, Jack. Our captain is a true seafarer at heart. They find peace in the open waters and love to sail around in their trusted boat. But there's one more element that adds to the excitement: scuba diving. Yes, our captain loves to explore the deep sea with their underwater gear. Along with them on these nautical journeys is their loyal companion, Jack. He's not just your typical pet, he's a sailor at heart too. Jack loves the open seas just as much as his human best friend, adding a unique charm to their sailing trips. So, if you're looking for some nautical adventures of your own, consider buying a boat or trying out scuba diving. And remember, it's always better to adventure with a furry friend by your side. If you enjoyed this video and want more such stories, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until our next voyage, happy sailing!
Good morning. I'm out here at the Pajaro River. It's a great dive spot. We call it the pipe. It's a very old pipe that's covered with big rocks that extends about 2 miles offshore. And it's about 3 miles from Moss Landing, and it's real easy to just zip out and do a great little dive and then zip back if the weather is going to get bad in the afternoon. Which today the weather is supposed to get windy again in the afternoon because it is springtime. So I'll show you the pipe. It's a very interesting dive. You can see a lot of cool things down here: link cods, rock cods. And there's different sea anemones and starfish and also gray eels. So I'll take you down a little bit today, and then we'll be doing a little bit of boat work in the afternoon. Getting ready to head down, and I'll show you the bottom. Very cool. So that was a nice dive. I'm gonna head back to the harbor. I gotta put a zinc on a boat that I'm working on. so I can get paid today. So we'll take a boat ride back to the harbor, and the Boston Whaler is working great. Everything that I've done is working. So let's take a boat ride back to Moss Landing Harbor. Well, we're back at the boatyard at the Moss Landing Harbor, and this big seal was sitting on the dock. And I had to take some pictures of him because he was pretty big. Little seagull sitting next to him. He looks all happy sitting in the sun. They just hauled out a sailboat when I got there. Pretty cool. This is Ocean Thunder, a big whale watching tour boat that they've been working on for a few years, and I think it's getting ready to go in the water soon. Looks good. So this is the boat's sea wing that I need to put the zinc on. And I'll explain to you a little bit how I do this all. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be putting the zinc on the drive shaft of this boat. Because right now it has no zinc at all. And then you're going to tighten it down with an Allen wrench. And then you take your hammer and you hammer it down, and then you tighten it, and you hammer and you tighten it. And that's how you put the zinc on the drive shaft. Okay, good, alright. Here I'm trying to straighten out the lines on my sailboat because yesterday the wind was blowing so hard that everything got tangled up. So I'm trying my best to do it without having to crawl up the mast. But I do need to crawl up the mast real soon because I got to go up there and make sure everything looks good. I have a little bit of fear of heights, but I do it anyways. I bought myself this mountain climbing rig where I can hoist myself up without anybody helping me. So I can go up that mast anytime I want to. Thank you for watching. I hope you all subscribe to my channel. And I hope to get out sailing again soon. My next trip is going to be to Santa Cruz, the beach boardwalk, and anchor out there for a few days. Can't wait. Should be happening soon.